What is up, guys? Welcome back to FDMX Fitness. I am Coach Sim, and we're back with another unboxing and review. Okay, we're all about the fitness around here, but we also have to be about the recovery. Recovery is probably more important than the actual working out. So today, what we have here are some recovery boots. Okay, we're going to take a look at these things and check them out from Fit King. And as you guys know, we talk a lot about working out around here. But when it comes to recovery, foam rolling, massage guns, massage chairs, cupping, we're all about that around here because the more you recover, the more you're going to be able to work out. Shipping is fast. Packaging is very nice. All right. Let's take a look at these things. I've been wanting to get some of these for a long time, right? Because I do have a massage chair. I do cupping on my legs, foam rolling, of course. But the massage chair doesn't get the whole part of the leg, right? And for my clients who are nurses, hairdressers, I've had a lot of clients who did that. And what they would need are compression socks. So if you're standing all the time, it's hard to get that blood flow to return back to the body, even getting, varicose veins and things like that. So these are really important. Compression socks anyway, but I believe these massage boots would help with that. We're gonna take a look at these and check them out. So the packaging, the box is very nice. So I always say if you're looking to buy some of these for a gift. Also, what we'll do if we have a referral or a discount code or something like that, we'll put a link in the description of this video. Also a link to their website. All right, so let's open these up and take a look at what we have. It comes in a nice travel case, which is very important. I haven't seen these yet. I've seen them online. I believe you can just charge these things and take them with you. Or maybe you have to plug them up. I'm not sure, but either way, you can take this with you on the go. So this will be perfect if you travel, you're sitting on that flight for a long time. You would need something like this. Fit King is an air compression recovery system. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box and take a look. You have your, I guess is one for each leg. I did order a large, and I'm sure it will be fine because usually I wear a large and everything. But I should have taken the time to look at the website because large is like 6'3" up to like 6'8" or something. So these are great for basketball players too. Am I 6'3"? No, not even close. When I wear shoes, maybe I'm 6'3", but I'm sure it will be fine. So if you're like a regular size person, I think it's between 5'9" and 6'3", which is me, that would be a medium. All right, keep that in mind if you want to go ahead and get some of these. Packaging, very nice. That's always impressive with fitness equipment. So this here has its own pouch here, and I would assume this is the power supply. You can tell this is nice. This is a very high quality piece of equipment. Okay, so it looks like, you'd have to have this plugged up. There's a power adapter. It's probably too strong. You can't just charge it and go. You have to leave this thing plugged up, I would assume. So I got myself a plug here, and this would go to each leg. So let's go ahead and open it up. What I'm gonna have to do, obviously, is I gotta drive this thing around. I gotta put them on, try it out. That way I can give you the full, honest review of what these things can do and how they feel. This is empty, and that's fine. Just want to make sure there's no paperwork in here. All right. So very simple. You have your case here for this, the power supply. This plugs into this, and one for each leg. So what we're gonna do, we'll open up them right now, and then I'm gonna obviously take it and put it on and check it out, and I'll tell you what I think about it and compare it to other devices. I could fit that. We're gonna see. I'll tell you what I think. Really nice. You can tell this is definitely, you get what you pay for. This is a high quality pair of massage boots. And this is so cool, you know, and I'm sure, like I said, I got to try these things on. But you can just sit on the couch and like let these work on your legs. And as you get older, man, the more and more you train, dude, your feet, your knees, super important. So something like this is really going to help out. So we're going to go ahead and come back. I'll try them on, drive them around for a little bit, and we'll give our final review on these Fit King massage boots. All right, guys. So we spent a couple weeks with these Fit King massage boots, and what do we think? Tried them in the house, tried them in the bed. How do we feel? These things are legit. Love them. So I said in the unboxing that you have to have it plugged in all the time, and you actually don't. That's what made this even better, because I would have been fine with it if I had to have it plugged into an outlet somewhere. These things can hold a good charge. And you see it packs up nice. I folded them back in here. It's pretty easy to fold them back up. I was kind of concerned about that because they're big. I'm like, can I put this back in this bag? I can't leave these things around. My kids will find these things, turn them into a parachute, and they'll be on the roof somewhere, right? So I had to put them back in the bag and keep them in here, keep them safe. So this thing must have a pretty big battery. So I was able to I charge it up, and you can also use it while it's being charged, which is cool. So you can leave it plugged up and use it. I was just on the couch sitting there, and honestly, I like this traveling bag. I was just sitting there for a while with it, and we'll talk about it in a second. And I felt better instantly after. Like I've said before, man, I'm using I've used Rebo cups. I use Theragun massage guns. I got a pretty nice massage chair, foam rolling. I do it all. You got to take care of your whole body, but you got to take care of the wheels, your legs. All right? Because what's your biggest fat burning asset? Your legs. Once your legs go, everything else is just a slippery slope, especially for elderly folk. You got to take care of your knees, your glutes, and your core to make sure that you can actually get up and go and move, because it's all downhill from there. So these were great for my legs. So here's the charger. We don't even have to plug it up. I'm gonna plug it up right now. I'll show you how it works. I had other people try it and they loved it. It was awesome, right? Totally cool. As far as the size, I did say I got too big of a size. It wasn't a problem. I was still able to use it, but I would have probably gone a little bit smaller. So if you're gonna get this thing and you're a regular height, maybe you are 6'4", good for you. If you're under 6'3", get the medium size. But yeah, super easy to use, man. So I use these things in the bed, on the couch, and it was great. And what I loved about this is, we'll put it on right now, is that you can get all zones, right? Like you can do your feet, your calves. I'm feeling on my knees, my hamstrings. I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll see what happens. I like it because it's just, you can just put them on and then forget about it. But this was cool. You can just relax at the end of the day, get your legs worked on. So yeah, like I said, I had it on, and you can have it in sequence. It can go like from your feet to your calves to your up to your hamstrings, or you can just do it all at once. Just sit there. Power's on. Oh, I gotta plug it up. Super easy to use, right? You can set the time, and at first I was kind of concerned. I'm like, is this gonna be strong enough to actually make me feel anything? Especially since you could just charge it up. And the answer is yes. You could turn this strength up pretty high. Just push play. I have it at 120 strength, 35 minutes. You could turn up the time. I love that you can just go to each zone. So maybe you only want your feet massaged. You could pick the zone. So right now I have it on zone 1, and I can feel it going right for the feet. So it has zones 1 through 5. You can just light them all up if you like, and put all the pressure on at one time. Or you can have it kind of like cycle through. There it is right there. I can feel it. It's going right through the calves. It's showing you what it's going to work right now. So it's doing feet, and it's hitting the calves, and I could turn that, and I turn it up pretty high. Right? I was like, how much pressure? It can up to 150. I like how it just puts that squeeze on it, and then it just releases, helping relax the muscles. Oh yeah. And it's strong. The fact that you can have this massaging yourself and then not be plugged up is cool. Heck yeah. So now it's going up, going right up to the knees and the hamstrings. But like I'm telling you, as you guys get older, right, you have to take care of your entire body, recovery, everything. So as far as we comparing this to my massage chair, which is the most similar to, it's way better because my massage chair does rub my feet and just my calves. It doesn't go way up high, but it's only on the sides. This is getting the whole part of the foot, the whole part of the legs around the knee, right? Helping with that circulation, help break up the fascia, right? And I don't have to do anything, which is nice. That's why I thought to myself, and I watched the entire show. It was about an hour and something. I kept it on the whole time. I thought like, this is probably gonna bother me. But because if it's just squeezing all the time, it's nice because it gives you that tension and then it releases. And it comes back in, it gives you that tension and then it releases. So my knees felt better. Dude, after using, I was sitting there for like 45 minutes or an hour. My legs felt instantly better. And I like it too. It's coming right back here, putting pressure on the hamstrings, quads, knees, calves. This feels good. So would I recommend this thing? Absolutely. And the fact that I let other people try it, I mean, the fact that it's super huge, I had my mom use it and she's shorter than me. She was fine with it. So this is awesome. Really good pressure on the legs and to help recover. So I would give this a 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, see right now it just has the squeeze. It's lighting up zones 1 through 5 and the pressure is just there. It just releases. And that's the best massage. Put that good pressure on there and then just releases by itself. Kind of let the blood circulate and it'll come in again and put that pressure on. So I have it on for a 32-minute massage and we're not going to sit here for a 32-minute massage. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And then you just unzip it. And you just take them and you fold them up and you put them right back in. Now, when you turn them off, there's still, like I just unplugged it. There's still a little bit of air in these legs here. So the air's got to kind of come out. You can hear it going out before you fold them flat. And then you just fold them up and put them back in your bag and you're good to go. So these are awesome. Highly recommended. What we're going to do is have a discount code in the description, which I'm pretty sure you can just apply to anything on their website, right? I went ahead and checked out the things they have, and they have a lot of stuff for repair. Knees, hands, feet, right? So if you're looking to help yourself recover, or you're looking to buy a gift for someone that you care about, anybody can use this. It's not just for fitness people, like I said, especially for the nurses and my hairdresser clients, or anybody standing all the time. Consider getting them something like this. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, put it in the comments or email us. I love all you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Get it? Got it. Get that.